Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials. Let me show you how to export the video. It's very simple. It's this big export button on the top right corner. Click it, export, and now we have some options. Let me explain this very quickly. This is the name of the video. Over here, click on this folder button to choose the folder where you want to export your video. Click select folder, and now we have this video exporting. If I turn this off, it will export only MP3. This means that we'll export only audio from this video. To make sure that you export video, make sure that video exporting is selected. Over here, of course, choose your resolution, choose the bit rate, go with recommended. You can leave codec as it is, format MP4 standard, and frame rate standard 30 FPS, or if you are recording some gaming 60 FPS will be good. And now if we turn off this export audio, it will export our video with audio because it's MP4. It will export as usual, but if you choose to click this, it will export your audio separately. This means you will get your video exported and exported audio separate. Let me show you how. If I click export, it will so quickly export the video you didn't see the procedure. Doesn't matter. If I open my folder, export folder, over here you can see our folder. If I go inside, you will see your video. This will be your video and this will be your audio. So it will export video and audio separately. So you can go if you want in that way. You can also share it now via TikTok and YouTube. You can run a copyright check and add some title and so on if you want. I don't use this. I just go old school way on YouTube sharing this. And this is it. If you find it helpful, let me know in the comments below. We have other videos in my description. Just check out the link or click on any link over here on the end screens. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.